Hello guys, here's a Minka Aire Contractor Series ceiling fan. These are the fans on the group trip. This was in the warehouse, some returns. These are some of the returns there at Fanimation. Minka Aire Contractor Series. This one has a 4.5 motor. 4.5 motor. And also, well, this one's in bronze or black or something like that. Dark oak, I think, on both sides. I think, and as you can tell, this was returned for some reason. I think it was probably the motor that was making that noise or something. Or maybe they just didn't like the finish or something. So, I mean, I actually see it here, like, let me go get my flashlight. Okay. You can see it has a 4.5 motor. See, and the box for it is right there. Box for it is right there. It says Minka Aire Contractor Series, and it says when inspected. See, these are some of the returns in the warehouse. Usually I don't sell Minka Aire there. I've never seen any Minka fan. I've never seen any Minka Aire fan returned at Fanimation. Because Minka Aire is usually like the Minka Aire company is down in California stuff. Forget what town it is. What's in California? Hang on, let me close these curtains here. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on low here. This thing came 100% complete. And there's no Minka Aire sign around anywhere. Oh, and I forgot to show the top of it, so I don't want to get too close. But there's the top of it. I don't want to get too close to the fan, but there we go. I mean, by the way, this is my first Minka Aire fan. So, I've been wanting a Minka Aire fan. I mean, this is my first one that I have in my collection. I always want to find a Minka Aire Classic, but if I ever do, I'll probably find one. There was this Minka Aire that did not have any pole chain. I know I looked on Dan's videos. I saw on a couple Dan's videos. So, there was some Minka Aire at the Madison Restore East Madison Restore. You had a Minka Aire, not like this, but some Minka Aire. I forget the model is, but it's a remote control and it had like a really unique light kit. Cause it had a light kit, you know, like the series, like it kind of looks like that. Not really, but it's remote controlled and they had pretty glass. It had like lines and stuff. I always want to find that and stuff like that. If I ever do. I always seen the glass on Hampton Bays too, and stuff on Minka Aires too. I always want to find those, but if I ever do, I'll probably get one at the Restore or something. Or if I'm mission down new returns, which probably not gonna have any returns. But for probably maybe at the Restore or something like that. But anyways, we'll try it to medium. I will be going to the Restore this weekend, just like nice. No. So, I know there were actually like a couple bad weekends that we didn't go, because the first weekend that we went to, because the last weekend it was closed, because I didn't realize it closed at 4, the Martinsburg Restore closed at 4, and they're also looking to move too. And then the week before that, we went to the Winchester Restore, and we didn't make it there on time. We made it till 5, and we didn't go in stuff. You may have seen my Hunter Original video at Habitat when it was closed for the day and stuff for the weekend stuff. I mean, the Winchester one closed at 5, so. It's the old Restore in Winchester closes like at 2. It was small. We'll only have one fan, like Harvest Classic. That was our like previous video, the old Restore in Winchester. But I moved. I'm not sure why. Probably because it was too small or something. Just high. You guys can see my Emperor in the background. That's will probably be after the 5-blade configuration of the Minka Aire Contractor Series. I know I've seen a video of a white one on Who's This Guy, I forget, 728, I don't know, but 528 or something. 528 or something. And I've seen something like that. I'll turn it off and reverse it. Medium. This fan wobbles a little bit, and high doesn't really wobble as much, but it doesn't wobble too bad actually. So. Wait guys, to hear the motor. So go ahead to the fan on. Alright guys, that's my 4-blade configuration. Now we move on to the 5-blade configuration here in a little bit. Guys, here's a Minka Aire Contractor Series with the 5-blade configuration ceiling fan. In the previous video I showed you with a 4-bladed. Last video I showed you with a 4-blade configuration of this, but it's the 5-blade. This is the same one I showed you earlier. This is the same one I showed you earlier. Like the last video, this is still the same one in this video. It's also the same. So I got this animation. The ones that had returns and stuff. I'll portrait up closer. There we go. Okay, closer. Doesn't show Minka Aire anywhere on the fan button. No, it's Minka Aire. Because it says on the box there too. I'll show you the box on the previous video. See? It says expected Amazon warehouse deals. Expected. Now I'll read what it says here. If you want to read this, pause the video here. If you want to read this, pause the video here. Anyways. Hey. This is a lifetime warranty. This is a lifetime warranty. This is a lifetime warranty. Anyways, I will be turning this one on low. Here we go. Alright, let me do it. Let me close the door. Close the door there. So I think that, like, I don't want to get any copyright grounds in it, like those movies, like Christmas Vacation and stuff. Just medium. Just one little bit, not too bad. Let me fix that. There. Stop that battle glass. Hi. Alright, I'll turn it off. I'll reverse it there. this side right here is a little scratched. I think that came from the premium or something that got a little scratched though. When I was playing, I showed you in the last video the way it was sitting, the premium was sitting on the blade. Anyways, here's a little. Medium. Just want to make sure it's right there. Oh, turn to high. I'll go ahead and turn it off here. Alright guys, that's it. That's my Minka Aire Contractor Series ceiling fan. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Send the truck out.